Guys, we are back in the house and we are back from Labuan Bajo. Is that how you say it? I still don't know how to say it. How do you say it?
I don't know.
Labuan Bajo.
Okay, we've just got back from there. The flight actually left on time, which is really surprising. That was with Batik Air. Aircraft's all right. That's definitely one to recommend. We've just got dressed in our whites. Mo's in white and so is Emmy B. I don't know if this was deliberate. Anyway, we're all in white and we're off to, because we've missed really good food, we've decided to go to one of our favourite restaurants. Emmy is a little meat eater, a little carnivore. We've decided on this place that has really good Wagyu beef and it's one of our favourites. We'll take you along with us. But we're just waiting for our Grab to come. Traffic is mental out there, so we thought we'll double the time and leave earlier. It normally takes us about 20 minutes, but we're going to leave 40 minutes in advance to get there on time. I can't wait for this meal because we've had not the best food for the last few days, so it's just nice to have a good, proper meal. Catch you later. While we're away, we did a few bits of snagging to make sure that the villa is always up to scratch in terms of quality, cleanliness. I'll walk you through. So, down here on the wall, that all had black scratches. Got that all the way up the staircase and around the bed. So what they've done is given it a good lick of paint. We plan to have on this wall here a long length mirror because I think that's what's missing from downstairs. We also have this sink for about a year and it's gone a bit rusty, so we've ordered a new sink for that, cream terrazzo material, so it's real durable, strong, and it should be long lasting. A few tweaks in the bathroom, so some of the sliding doors, there was a stopper missing, so we had that inserted. Cupboard where we saw our towels, it looked a bit disorganised. We've opened it up and it looks really well stacked and ordered. And that's our little update. So I love how our villa manager, Resi, always looks after this place as if it's her own, so shout out to her. Anyway, let's get on. What they've given me and Emmy is very short, nice and cosy. Yeah, and we're ready to order. It's a Korean restaurant. They've changed the concept of the dining. That's mine, look very serious. And you look the same. Did it again.
The house set actually comes with 7 courses that are more suitable for Emmy. Between me and Kim, we're going with the YoungHee set, which has 15 courses, which is crazy, and then you just get an unlimited top up of the cabbage and mustard salad. I'm very happy to be here.
God, I'm still not well. I've literally been 2 weeks, constantly ill. Is anyone else experiencing this where they just can't get over the bloody cold? I don't know if it's COVID, I don't want to be too extreme, but I just need it gone. Anyway, while Mo's gone to run some errands, I thought, a bit sad, start pre-packing a little bit because sadly we're going to be only staying here a few more days and then we're off home. You can watch me pack and here's a quick B-roll of that. is having their haircut, me or you?
Me.
She has lovely, lovely long hair, considered as extra long hair. Costs a bit more to cut. Looking to cut just there, quite a lot of inches off. It'll last for the next haircut. Are you sad or happy about that?
Sad.
Say goodbye to your lovely long locks, but you know what? They'll always grow back. This is our last full day. We haven't been out, Mo's been out, busy doing his Muay Thai. So we're now heading out for lunch, and guess where we're going? Do you know what it's called?
Warung.
Yeah, we're going back to the same Warung as we went yesterday because it was so sick, because it's called Warung Sika for a reason. Anyway, we're going to head there now. So guys, we are getting ready to go and play some paddle. It's all the rage here, and the social club that we're going to looks absolutely phenomenal, so we thought we'll give it a go. We have booked ourselves a court for I think an hour for 600,000 is about £27. The only problem is I have made a rookie error of forgetting my trainers, but Mo and Emmy can play, and maybe we can swap because I can maybe squeeze my feet into Emmy's trainers. What have you got here, Emmy?
Frozen Haribo worms.
But Emmy's got a cool idea of putting them in the freezer. Should do a taste test each.
Yeah.
Oh, we've been one for you, one for me. They are solid. Bash it together. Some ASMR.
I'm just gonna put it in home.
Oh, in a hole. Who taught you about this?
TikTok.